Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. This is Sunday morning. Have an emergency call down in a crawl space. When I pulled up to the job, the homeowner's wearing a mask. That tells me right away someone in that household is sick. So we have to take our chances, put our mask on, put our gloves on. Now I'm down in the crawl space, and you can see someone has duct taped this fitting, and of course it's leaking very badly. So we're going to go ahead and put this together. Real simple job, right? Take a look. So just like any job, we're going to start by taking that fitting apart. You know, that was a rubber no hub and it failed. And apparently the homeowner duct taped it trying to make it work. And of course it didn't work. But we're going to go ahead and put a new fitting, a PVC fitting on here. Real simple job. I should be in and out of here in, 3, 4, 5 minutes. And I mean, really, it's that quick. Basic plumbing 101. Using the pipe cutters, I go ahead and cut the pipe to length, and then we'll set some glue in here. We'll glue it up, plug it in. We should be done. Plumbing with plastic. You know, this is one of the easiest things that you can possibly do when you're working on a rainwater drainage system. Putting pipe together, gluing it up, it really is a simple process. You know, maybe it's my mind thinking about the customer and possibly having COVID, and it really plays heavily on your mind when you know someone's sick, and they actually confirmed they were going to go get a rapid test here this morning. So I'm really thinking a lot about that. But we're going to glue this up, push it all together, and then we're going to plug it in. We should be done. Take a look. I always say it, keep your smile, because sometimes you just need that smile. And so basically we're going to start over. We're going to cut some new pipe because the glue has set up on the other old pipes. We need to put all this together and start over from scratch. But you know what? This is not a hard job, and it still only took me, 15, 20 minutes. I'm going to reassemble and re-glue. We'll put it together, plug it in, and take a look. Success! So we had to put all new pipe to connect that T. I had to get another T out of the truck, and we used a no hub to connect that fitting down from the pump up, and then also new pipe from the 90s going into and out through the wall. But you can do this. Keep your smile. I posted this video because I want you to see that things happen. And by the way, the customer did text me. They went and had their rapid test and it was negative. So that's a great feeling. But, don't forget, this pandemic is not over. Keep your distance, wash your hands, wear your mask. It is so important. We are so close to getting that vaccine. And it's just months away and we'll be back to normal.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.